case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Supreme Court adjudicated upon a significant matter in 1956, examining whether a person can be found guilty based solely on hearsay evidence. The case, known as Costello v. United States, concerned defendant Frank Costello, who was charged with false income declaration. The legal drama unfolded when details emerged that Costello had been underreporting his income for several years. At the trial, the government mounted a robust case against Costello, bringing in a total of 144 witnesses and showcasing 368 exhibits related to business transactions and expenditures. However, the defense, during their cross-examination, discovered that the grand jury had only heard the testimonies of 3 investigating officers. On learning this, the defense presented a motion for dismissal of the indictment, arguing that an indictment based purely on hearsay evidence was in violation of the Fifth Amendment. This motion, however, was rejected by both the lower court and the Court of Appeals. Undeterred, Costello continued his legal battle, moving his fight to the Supreme Court on the grounds of constitutional violation. The Supreme Court, whilst reviewing the case, reached a different conclusion. The court sided with Costello's accusers, upholding that the indictment against him was indeed valid, despite the fact that it rested purely on hearsay evidence provided by the 3 officers. In their reasoning, the justices noted that the heritage of the grand jury system doesn't require a rule for defendants to challenge indictments supposedly lacking in adequate evidence. The court underscored the necessity of avoiding unnecessary delays that such a rule might engender. They concluded that as long as an indictment was issued by an unbiased grand jury, it is sufficient to call for a trial on the merits, even if it is based solely on hearsay evidence. This landmark judgment underscored the independence and authority of the grand jury system, even whilst navigating the complexities of hearsay evidence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.